Bless you. Get up. Whoa. Get up. Here, I'm gonna help you for a minute. Okay, go. Here goes big boy out on the tile. Keep going, Max. Beckham, where are you going? Where are you going? To the sink? Wow. That was a long push, buddy. Good job. Yeah, you're so big. Hey, are you so big?